I'm gonna show you how I went from this to this in just 3 months. I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it. So let's get started. First things first, I started at 70 kgs. I was skinny fat. I had a lot of fat, very less muscle. In 3 months, I got down to around 60 with pretty decent amount of muscle and less fat. And I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it step by step. Let's get straight into it. Step one, the basics, workout. You need to be training, you need to be working out at least 3 or 4 times a week. I personally used to work out 6 times a week. You need to make sure you're working out each muscle group twice a week. I used to do the push pull legs. Y'all can do push pull legs, upper body, lower body, whatever suits you. But if you need help with your workout routine, drop a comment down below and I'll get back with you. Step 2, nutrition. This is where it gets a bit tricky. So if you want to lose fat and gain muscle, if you're skinny fat, you gotta be on a caloric deficit. How do you be on a caloric deficit? For that, you need to know what your maintenance calorie is. I'm going to show you exactly how you can know your maintenance calories step by step. So you just search calorie calculator, click on the first link and hit calculate. So for example, this is my maintenance calories. So if I eat this much every day, my weight's going to stay the same. If you want to lose weight and gain muscle, you'll have to eat this much of calories. That's 2800. That's 200 less. So that's how you track your calories. So once you know your maintenance calorie, you need to consume food slightly below your maintenance calories. Start by eating 2 to 300 calories less than your maintenance calories. This is very important. While you're on a caloric deficit, you need to keep your protein intake high. This is the most important point in this video. Because first of all, you're in a caloric deficit, you're likely to lose muscle. But if you can avoid that, you need to have the right amount of protein. What is the right amount of protein? Whatever your body weight is, multiply that into 2. That's the minimum amount of protein you need to have. Like for example, let's say I'm 70 kilos. 70 into 2, 140. So my minimum protein requirement is 140 grams. So I need to be making sure I'm eating 140 grams of protein. How do you know how much protein you're having? I'm going to show you. This is a 5-egg omelette with no veggies, nothing. It's just 5 eggs. How do you track this? I downloaded this app, MyFitnessPal. You go on it, go on log food, go to breakfast, add food, search egg. I've had 5 eggs, so that's 5 eggs. That's the amount of protein you get from 5 eggs. Done. So I'd suggest you get a kitchen scale. You don't really need it, but it'll be better if you invest in it. It's pretty cheap. So I'm going to show you how to track the calories now. So for lunch, my mom made chicken biryani, but this is homemade. So she used less oil. I'll be keeping a plate over it. I click on tear. So that it doesn't add the plate weight, I click on tear. That's 650 grams, almost 650 grams of chicken biryani. So I'll add lunch. I'll search and just click on any of the chicken biryanis, and I'm measuring in grams. Like I had 650. 650 has almost 1000 calories. So I'll add this. Food's logged. So that's how you track calories. Now wait, I know it's not sustainable to track whatever you're eating every day. That's not sustainable. I'm not encouraging you to do that. Just do it once a week, and then whatever you're eating that day, just follow it. Just for one day, track whatever you're eating, and then the next day, have whatever you had the previous day. So step 3 is to track your progress. You start by tracking your weight every day. I would suggest you to invest in a weighing scale machine. As you wake up, you check your weight, because morning is when your weight is most accurate. Morning, empty stomach, no breakfast, nothing. Second way you can track your progress is to take progress pictures every week. Don't do this every day. If you can do it, well and good, every day. But I personally used to take pictures every Sunday. One progress picture every week. Again, do this early morning, wake up, take a shirtless picture of your front, your back. Another pro tip is to add cardio to your routine. Now, cardio doesn't have to be boring. You can make cardio enjoyable. Cardio can be playing football with your friends, basketball, any kind of sport which you like. If you don't play sports, you can do what I do. I go for walks and jogs, whatever suits you, whatever you can do. And yeah, basically just be more active. After you've had dinner, after you've had lunch, just walk. Also, another main point, make sure you're resting well. You need to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. I know it sounds cliche, but it is important. If you don't sleep well, you won't feel like working out, you won't feel like being active, and you'll just wake up with brain fog. So why not rest well? Because as humans, we often complicate the simple part, which is resting. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Step 1, work out each muscle group twice a week. Step 2, nutrition, be on a caloric deficit, keeping your protein intake high. 3, track your progress, track your weight, click progress pictures so that you feel good as well, you feel motivated. Step 4, be more active, include cardio, and rest well. Make sure you're sleeping enough. If you follow these steps, you're bound to get results. If you all have any doubt, just drop a comment down. I'll make sure to reply to anyone who comments down. That's it from me. Like this video if you all gain knowledge from it, and subscribe to my channel because it really helps. That's it from me. Peace.